Mental ability question number 63. This is again a non-verbal reasoning type question in which 5 figures are given itself in the question. Question number 63. 5 figures are given: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the sixth place. Out of the 4 options given in the question, we have to select that one which can be placed at 6th position and completing the series. Okay, if you see the questions, if you see the figure in the question paper, in an oval shape 3 symbols are given. In the first figure, out of the 3 symbols, you see they are at here, here and here. If you see in the first figure, square and S symbols are given, but from the first figure these symbols comes at this position. These symbols come at this position, means rotate one part from 1 to 2nd. Now in the second figure, if you see these symbols, in the third option these symbols are X and dot, 1 to 2nd, 2nd to 3rd. In the third figure they comes at this position. Now observe the sequence: here to here, here to here, first, second, third, similarly fourth, fifth. So first symbols of first becomes symbols of second, symbols of second become symbols of third, symbols of third become symbols of fourth, symbols of four becomes symbols of 5, and symbols of 5 which are hash and square box, symbols here, symbols here, symbols here, symbols here, symbols here. So this should be square and this should be hash. Out of the 4 options, this is in option number 2 as well as in option number 4. So up to the part that we have checked, option number 2 and option number 4 are the 2 possibilities, whereas first and third we can reject. Now in the first figure, apart from the 2 symbols, third symbol is a arrow. In the second figure, arrow missing but dot, a new symbol appears. In the third figure, a flower appears, a new symbol. In the fourth figure, a square box appears, which is new. In the fifth figure, hash comes, which is new. In the sixth figure, whatever it is, but it should be new, never a symbol which never comes before. Now out of the second and fourth option, in the second option a square box is here which already comes at 4th and 5th figure. In the second figure a square box is there which already comes at 4th and 5th position, whereas in the fourth option a triangle comes which is a new identity. So this should be the correct answer. Option number 4 should be the correct answer for this question.